Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we're diving into the features and benefits of the BANGSON compact portable washing machine and the 16L foldable washer. Both of these machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small living spaces like dorms, apartments, and RVs. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of capacity, design, and functionality. The BANGSON compact portable washing machine offers a total washing capacity of 11 pounds and a spin capacity of 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the 16L foldable washer provides a total capacity of 16 liters, which is ideal for washing smaller items like clothes and delicates. While both machines are designed for convenience, the BANGSON model allows for separate washing and spinning, which can be advantageous for users who need to wash and dry items quickly. The BANGSON model features a compact, twin-tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can save time during laundry. On the other hand, the 16L foldable washer boasts a foldable design that enhances its portability, making it easy to store and transport. This design is particularly beneficial for users with limited space or those who frequently travel. Both machines prioritize user convenience, but their design philosophies cater to different needs. When it comes to pricing, the BANGSON compact portable washing machine is priced at $139, while the 16L foldable washer is more budget-friendly at $79. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your laundry needs. While the BANGSON offers additional features, the affordability of the 16L model makes it an attractive option for those on a tight budget. In conclusion, both the BANGSON compact portable washing machine and the 16L foldable washer offer unique advantages for small space laundry solutions. Depending on your needs for capacity, design, and budget, one may be more suitable than the other. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.